Okay, y'all. I am finally home after working an early shift. I'm finally home and I'm about to clean up so I can get in the relax mode. Kelly, it sound like that about the bus. Okay guys, I'm back home and I'm just gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. Some more bread, because I couldn't remember whether we had bread when we did. So we got bread. I got a red pepper, because y'all, I'm making my, shoot. I gotta go back to the store. I forgot sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the store. I'm gonna just run the Family Dollar. I got a red pepper. I know I was forgetting something. Have a cabbage. Have a green pepper, because I'm making my cabbage. I have some Kool-Aid, because we've been loving making Kool-Aid lately, and you can't make Kool-Aid without sugar. So I got 2 packs of this, y'all. This is one of my favorite Kool-Aid, blue raspberry lemonade. I also got some watermelon, which is one of my other favorites. Or did I get the fruit punch? Either way. I got some ginger ale, because I felt woozy the other night, and I ain't had not one ginger ale. So I got me a thing of ginger ale, a little small one to put in the refrigerator. I I love Nivea body wash. Dove and Nivea are my favorite. They had this scent that I had not smelled, wild berries, hibiscus, and it smelled so good, so I picked that up. Y'all, I'm not an Oreo girl, but I love when they have the Halloween orange Oreos. Even though it tastes the same, the color is just orange, so I like them. So I always grab those. Yeah, I have never seen this before. The cornbread swirl, cornbread in the biscuit pack. Make some cornbread, but I'm like, I might be making this because this is Calvin's favorite Kool-Aid, so I think I am gonna make that today. Heavy whipping cream. I am gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with that. That's how I make my smothered chicken. Thicken that gravy with that heavy whipping cream. Have some lettuce for their sandwiches, because like I said, they want fried chicken sandwiches. And for me and Calvin, I'm doing cabbage, rice, and the cornbread muffins with the smothered chicken. Oh, I did get a pack of that. I should have got the watermelon one I want. I wasn't sure we had some more, but I got some more Kool-Aid because Calvin has been loving Kool-Aid. He can't drink, he doesn't drink sodas anymore since his kidney transplant. So he drinks water. He was drinking nothing but water, but now he's starting to add Kool-Aid every now and then. So that's that. That's all I got from Walmart. I wanted to make it sweet and simple. Now I gotta run to Family Dollar because see, I forgot to get sugar. My bacon, had my bacon unthawing. When I went to Sam's with Jessica, they had this big pack of bacon, and everybody love bacon in my house, and I like to chop my bacon up and put it in my cabbage. So yeah, that's what I got, this double pack of bacon. So I'll probably break this apart, and yeah, so I don't know, I might do need to freeze this. I don't know, probably not. Anyway, let me run to the store and go get some sugar. I don't know how I forgot that, but I'll be back, guys. I don't have to go to the store. Shane is going to go to the store for me, so I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna bring y'all along for me cooking. I got the chicken frying. Got more chicken to put in that I season. Then over here, I have onions with chicken broth with seasonings. And then right here, I have my cabbage. I have bacon, bell peppers, and onions. In the bottom, I'll really be able to stir it once they cook down, and then I'll be able to show y'all that. But I'm about to add my flour and my cream, my heavy whipping cream in this. Makes like a roux when you put the flour in it. And that's going to be the base of your gravy. You know, you want to make sure you season it really good. Let me get my heavy whipping cream. Half of my cabbage in the trash, thanks to the pepper. Y'all, I was sprinkling it out here, and here go this side opening, and dump half the thing of pepper in my doggone food. Luckily, me and Calvin only eating this cabbage. But here's the smothered chicken, y'all. These cornbread swirl biscuits are so good. They look like biscuits, but they taste like cornbread, and I put some honey on top of it. That's what they call cornbread biscuits. Boom. Here is the dinner: smothered chicken, cabbage, and cornbread biscuits. Y'all, this cornbread biscuits is bomb. It look like a regular biscuit, but it actually tastes like cornbread. So this is dinner, and Calvin food is down there. He's about to eat. Callie's eating her chicken sandwich with a biscuit. Hey.
And I know you're not no good for me, but you look so good to me. I don't need another broken heart or sleepless night. God, please guide me.
This is so cute for $6. Have y'all seen your body out of the watermelon scent? They got strawberry. Oh no, look. One for $5.
Look. You put liquid in there.
I wish I could look. This is $5. And then the plug-in is $3.35. Or this is $7 with it in there.
The one with it in there be the better bargain.
But I want that scent. I wish. I'm gonna get 3 of them. That's 15. Oh, they only got 3. I like to put my little plug in right there. Shane got the one that was right there. So I bought 3 of these. I done put them in hot out. So I'm about to put one right here and bet nobody touch my plug in. Open that one. Hold on, show it to them first. The watermelon, y'all. If y'all see this watermelon scent, got to try it. It smells so good. Hey y'all, it's Friday. So y'all already know what time it is. I'm actually on my way back because I was rushing, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. So we got these new neighbors that just moved in, and y'all, I actually took my mirror off, trying to get through the bushes of my garage because they were right in front of my garage, and I had to try to maneuver out of the little spot that Calvin put my truck in, because of course the Jeep was on the other side. So I'm trying to maneuver, and y'all know I can't drive for real. So I asked the people, I said, can y'all back up and let me out my garage? These people look at me like I was speaking another language. I understand that y'all got y'all little, whatever you call it, dolly thing from the 18-wheeler in front, but I'm gonna need y'all to move. So I'm on my way back to my house now, and they're gonna have to be gone because I'm not trying to take my dough and stuff off trying to get in my garage. I'm about to go to Tuesday morning first, then I'll go to Walmart, or maybe I should go to Starbucks first and get my drink and then do what I got to do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. The 18-wheeler gone, so the people must be moved in. All right, y'all. So I will catch y'all in a little bit on the flip side when I get to Starbucks. Bye. At Starbucks, y'all. I always forget to get my website. The website. It's not called a website. It's the one where you get points. Ooh, 1 minute, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. I got the goods. I went for a mango refresher, but y'all, they didn't have a mango refresher because they were out of the mango. Then I asked for the caramel ribbon crunch. They told me they out of the crunch. So I just got a caramel ribbon crunch with extra caramel, and they hooked me up with the caramel. Thank you. Oh my God, it's good, y'all. I don't even miss the caramel pieces. But I'm at Tuesday morning, y'all, and I'm about to go take a look to see what they got. Y'all, I was going in Harris Teeter's, but the people just came to look at my dishwasher to see if they can fix it because they rescheduled Monday. Well, it's not their fault. They rescheduled Monday, actually, because the boys were there Monday, but they were sleeping, so they didn't let them in. So they had to reschedule. I'm annoyed about that situation, can you tell? So let me just shake that off. I'm on my way home so I can see if my dishwasher gonna be able to be fixed, because washing dishes is for the birds, okay? For the birds, the flying birds. Let me put my seatbelt on, y'all. And I did get some stuff from Tuesday morning, which I will show y'all. But anyway, this video might be getting long. I'm gonna start another video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. If you have not already subscribed, click the link down below or the red button and subscribe to your girl. Y'all, that last video, Calvin, that we ain't even gonna talk about that. But anyway, I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.